Okay, what's up, my friends? Today is such a boring day, and I decided to stream my SQL coding for the first time. So, we're gonna solve three SQL questions today. I'm gonna start with the easy one. Um, it's say medium, but I would say it's pretty easy. This one is asked by Spotify, top ranked song. Find songs that have ranked in the top position. I'll put the track name and the number of times it is ranked at the top. Sort your records by the number of times the song was in the top position in descending order. Okay, so let's preview this data. We only work with one table for this question, so good thing on that. Um, First I want to see the track. I want to sort the track name by the position, by top position down. Gosh, fuck. What's your language? Position from Spotify. This is such a long name. Hate it. Spotify worldwide. Yeah, I got this right. Daily song ranking. Order by position ascending because I want to see the top first. Alright, so we see Humble top song like 7 times, 6 times, something like that. Alright, so let's do a. When they say top song, I'll just do a filter. The position is equal. Oh god, can't type today. Equal to 1, like this. And from this we just count. We're gonna count how many times each track is repeated. So we're gonna do an aggregation, group by track name as tops times. Very bad name. Group by track name. And then they say order by the times it ranked top, descending. So order by descending. Okay, so we see that Humble's top for 7 times and Bad and Bougie, and look what you make me do just once. Alright, so let's check this. See, we solve it. We solved it, guys. Alright, 1 down, 2 more to go. Let's do this question's acceptance rate by date. This question is asked by Meta Facebook. What is the overall frame acceptance rate by day? Your output should have the rate of acceptances by the date the request was sent. Okay. What about the earliest date to the latest? Okay, assume that each friend request starts by a user sending a friend request to another user, which is a receiver, that's logged in to table with action sent. If the request is accepted, the table logs action accepted. If the request is not accepted, no record of action accepted is locked. This is not accepted. Okay, so this is a locked table. Alright, let's just check. Let's inspect the table real fast. We'll also work with one table for these questions. That's good. User ID sender, user ID receiver. So for one sender, they can send many friend requests. So for one sender, there can be many receiver. Date action. Date has nothing to do with this level of details for this table. So this table, because you cannot send one sender cannot send to the same receiver on different day. It has to be a distinct date every time I send a friend request for receiver. So this table level of details is user ID sender and user ID receiver. The metric should calculate it by the number of receiver over divided by the number of senders. The number of senders should be aggregated by dates. Alright, so let's do this real fast. Select user ID. I wanna just filter out all the sent request. Receiver. You know what? Let's do this. Fiddle friends request. Sorry. Action. Do you need action? No. So I'm gonna filter here where action is sent. Let's run this. Okay. Then I'm gonna select you know what? Let's calculate this. I don't like how this is the other way around, so I'm gonna modify this a little bit. So here we have the number of sent requests for each day. Next, let's do Alright, so now I'm gonna merge. Oh, stupid me. I'm gonna merge this table, but based on what I need an ID. I need an ID. You know what? Let's just delete everything. I'm gonna redo this date. You know, fate friend request where actions is sent. put sent as, accepted as, select sent A, left join, accepted B, on two. I'm gonna join these two table on the two column sender and receiver column. And then they say order by the earliest day to the latest. So we're gonna order by date. Then we're gonna do a aggregation, and we're gonna calculate at the same times. So for that aggregation, we group by date, and then calculate this will be count. Remember the metric is calculated by the number of receiver over count sender as acceptance rate. Right here is gonna give you probably, I don't know, let's see. This is not good. Syntax error needs sent. I miss a from. What the hell? Facebook friend request. I miss an S. What the oh yeah, ambiguous. Okay. So this would be B. And this would be A. Yep, it's showing you 0. You should cast it, or I like to do this little trick right here, so I'll show you. There you go. A decimal. Done. We solved this. Take longer time than I thought. Okay, the next one is a hard question. Calculate the popularity percentage. This question is asked by Meta Facebook. Find the popularity percentage for each user on Meta Facebook. The popularity percentage is defined as the total number of friends the user has divided by the total number of users on the platform, then converted to percentage by multiply with 100. I put each user along with their popularity percentage. Sort ascending order by user ID. User 1 and user 2 are pairs of friends. Alright, so yeah, we also work with only one table today. Seems very easy, huh? This data structure right here is a graph one, and we usually do self joins with graph data structure. Let me explain. The approach to this problem is that we you know what, let's just do a quick inspect. I like to sort things so that I can see, can understand the table easier. Facebook friends, order by user 1. You know what, let's add this user 2 in here. did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, the by, missing the by. Okay, here. So we see that user 1 has 5, 3, 6 friends, so 3. And then right here, user 2 is, user 1 is also friend with 2. So then it should be 4. User 1 has a total of 4, I mean, right here as well. So should we have 5? So if you just calculate friends from user 1 and then you forgot to calculate user 2, you would miss out on a bunch. So my approach to this is I'm gonna split it, and I'm gonna do a union. I'm gonna do a union. I'm gonna do a union. So how would I do this? I'm gonna do, I don't need to order, right? Do I need to order this? I don't really need to. I'm doing a union, and not union all, because if there's any duplicate rows, it will be excluded. Select user. This time it will be user 2. We flip it, right? As, and then we consider as user 1, so that, easy to, you need to have the same column name to be able to do the union. User 1 as user 2. I know this is confusing, but this is our approach. Let's select user 1, this one right here. From this, let's put this as a CTE, and then merge as. I'm gonna do a calculate, select. So I'm gonna calculate the number of friends that user 1 has. Count user 1 from merge table, and this is the aggregation, so you gotta group by user 1 as. I don't need to. Okay. So here we have the number of friends that each user have, but we need to calculate the metric, so we need to put the denominator here, which is a total of number of users in the platform. So I'm gonna count distinct user 1 from merge is 1. We gotta do a little trick right here. Is it asking you do 100? Okay, so let's do 100 percentage, right? So it needs to be calculated by 100. As acceptance rate. Well, very close, guy. And then records ascending order by user ID. So I'm gonna order by user 1. Let's do this. Great. Converting. Let's see if we solved it. Yes, we got these questions. Awesome. So yeah, that's it for today. We finished 3 SQL questions, which is usually pretty much same as an interview format. Maybe we have 4 questions in an interview, but I'm tired. I have to go to an event. So see you guys. Okay, how do I stop recording? My god. Trying to figure a way to stop record, because I hide my UI. Reset UI, right? Oh, you should go here. Alright, come back here. No, this is how it should be. You know what? I drag it. So, oh, just stop.